define terminal velocity. When we say terminal, that means it is at the end. Suppose I keep one spherical body of greater density on the surface of liquid. Will it float or it will sink?
Sink.
It will sink. When it is sinking, it will displace the liquid equal to its own volume.
Yes.
Yes.
Due to that displacement, there is upthrust or buoyancy force,
Yes.
and also viscous force which is opposing the motion. This will be always in the direction opposite to the motion. If all the forces balances, that means all downward and upward are balancing. Suppose, what is net force then?
0.
Zero. If net force is 0, then ma is 0.
Yes.
Yes.
That means a is 0.
Yes.
That means change in velocity is 0.
Yes.
If change in velocity is 0, means v is u. Correct, na? V is u.
Yes.
That means this is constant, no change. This velocity which is constant is called as actually terminal velocity. So again, I'm repeating the definition with proper wording. When a spherical body of higher density is placed on the surface of liquid, then it falls in the liquid due to its weight, or you can say due to gravity. Hence, velocity goes on increasing, viscous force goes on increasing. A stage is reached when viscous force and upthrust balances weight of the body and net force acting becomes 0. Body moves with constant velocity. This constant velocity is called terminal velocity. Okay. When a spherical body of higher density is placed on surface of liquid, then it falls in the liquid due to gravity. Hence its velocity goes on increasing. Thus viscous force goes on increasing. A stage is reached when upthrust and viscous force balances weight of body. Hence net force becomes 0. Thus body moves with constant velocity. This constant velocity is called as terminal velocity. Clear? Okay. Alright. When a body with higher density is placed on the surface of liquid, then it falls inside the liquid and inside the liquid due to gravity, and its velocity goes on increasing. A stage is reached when viscous force and thrust balances weight of body and body moves with constant velocity. This constant velocity is called as terminal velocity. Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Derive expression for terminal velocity. Consider a spherical body of mass m, radius r, having density rho, to be placed on liquid surface of density rho naught. Rho is greater than rho naught. Hence, body will fall in liquid. Let V be its terminal velocity. At terminal velocity, who is balanced? Weight
Is equal to upper
is equals to upthrust plus viscous force. Copy this much, then I will substitute the values.
Done, sir.
Okay. Weight formula, can I say mg? M, can we say density into volume? Volume, can we say 4 by 3 pi r cube? So I think till this you followed ना weight वाला.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी upthrust क्या होता है? It is weight of volume of liquid displaced. Weight of volume of liquid displaced. I think you are aware na this one.
Yes, sir.
And viscous force is 6 pi r eta v, correct?
Yes, sir.
So volume of liquid displaced means density of liquid rho 0. Volume of liquid is volume of solid into g plus 6 pi r eta v. So rho naught 4 by 3 pi r cube g plus 6 pi r eta v. So this will become 6 pi r eta v is rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube g minus rho naught 4 by 3 pi r cube into g. So 6 pi r eta v equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube g rho minus rho naught. So v will become 4 by 3 pi r cube g rho minus rho 0 upon 6 pi r eta. Pi cancel. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. Therefore v will become, this r will get cancelled, r square. It is 2 r square g rho minus rho 0 upon 9 times eta. This is expression for terminal velocity. Copy. 2r square g upon 9 eta rho minus rho 0. This is expression for terminal velocity.
So done.
Everybody is done. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Reynolds number. Reynolds performed number of experiments. Reynolds was scientist. He performed number of experiments and found that for streamline non-viscous incompressible fluid, the critical velocity at which streamline flow becomes turbulent, comma, Vc is proportional to rho upon is proportional to eta upon rho d, where eta is coefficient of viscosity. Okay, please copy this much, then we'll see later.
Done, sir.
Okay. Eta is coefficient with viscosity, rho is density of liquid, d is diameter of pipe through which that liquid is flowing. Therefore, Vc equals to Rn eta rho d, where Rn is a constant called as Reynolds number. It is a pure number. Hence, it is dimensionless and unitless quantity. Okay, please write down this much. Then we'll see what is significance of that Reynolds number.
Done, sir.
All written, na? If lies
sir.
between 1000 and 2000, then unsteady. That you wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, equation of continuity. For streamline flow of non-viscous, comma, incompressible fluid, the quantity of fluid entering per second must be same as quantity of fluid exiting per second. So this is 1.5 through which we are having non-viscous incompressible fluid, that means density is same, entering from one end and leaving from another. Area is A1 at entry, A2 at exit, velocity is V1, V2. We have to find what is equation of continuity if for streamline flow the mass or quantity entering per unit time is same as quantity leaving per unit time or per second. Copy. टेस्ट नंबर 29 है क्या? आपने तो 29 ही दिया है. 8/8/21 का पहले से लिखा है 29 टेस्ट नंबर. हेलो. अरे यार क्या कुछ तो थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ ना. नहीं दूसरा तो आप भेजेंगे वो समझ गया मैं, लेकिन खुद को दिमाग नहीं है क्या? 29वां टेस्ट नंबर है कि आपको लिखाया था ना एक बार मैंने. तो नहीं है मालूम है तो भी वही छाप छाप देने का. कितवा है ये? आंख बंद करके बैठते हो क्या क्लास के अंदर? कितना छोटा छोटा चीज मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा. एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं होता है कि जो दिमाग का दही नहीं करते हो आप. क्या सोच के आपने 29 डाला? जब तारीख डाला 8 तो वो भी बराबर होना चाहिए ना. कितना है टेस्ट नंबर मालूम है क्या? पहला नहीं मालूम है तो फिर क्या डालोगे? क्या डालने वाले बताओ, जब मालूम नहीं तो आपको क्या डालने वाले आप? आपको एक बार लिखाया था ना मैंने, मैं बोला इसके बाद आप उसके आगे लिखते रहना, तो तभी सोया था क्या था? आप क्या देखोगे यार, 10 साल से मैं देख रहा हूं, क्या देख रहे हो आप? अभी देख के सबसे पहला मुझे बताना टेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है, उसके बाद आप पूरा का कुछ भी काम करो। रिटर्न, yes, written till this.
Done, sir.
Okay, so we want to derive that equation of continuity where amount entering per second is same as amount of or quantity of liquid leaving per second. Let a1 comma v1 and a2 comma v2 be the area of cross section and velocity, area of cross section of pipe and velocity of fluid at entry and exit respectively. Since for streamlined flow, quantity of fluid entering is equals to quantity of fluid leaving. Quantity means mass. So mass, can I say it is density into volume entering? Density is same, will be density into volume. That means mass entering. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Per unit time we want na is same. Mass per unit time is same. So density into volume upon time, density into volume upon time is same. Density I can cancel. Is volume area into distance covered? Area into distance.
Yes.
This is area into distance. So this v1 v2 are volume, and small v1 v2 are velocity. What is distance upon time? Is it velocity? Velocity. So a1 v1 equal to a2 v2. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अभी ये v1 v2 समझ गया ना क्या है? वॉल्यूम है, नहीं तो इधर लिख देता हूं मैं, v1 comma v2 are volume to avoid confusion, and small v1 small v2 are speed, distance upon time speed. So for continuity, a1 v1 equal to a2 v2. Clear, I think.
Yes, sir.
Write down. Last line will be, this is equation of continuity. Complete the line. This is equation of Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I clear full? This is equation of continuity one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note write down. Since A1 V1 equals to A2 V2 equals to constant. That means we can say A V is constant. A means area, V is velocity. Velocity is distance upon time. That means volume upon time is constant. That is dV upon dt is constant. dV upon dt is volume per unit time. There is specific name given to volume upon density.
Mass flux.
The volume of liquid per unit time is called as volume flux. So if they use word volume flux, it is volume per unit time. Copy first point. Second. If I multiply both sides by density, still it will remain constant. Density into volume is called as mass. So this is dm upon dt is constant. This is called as mass flux. Volume per unit time is called volume flux. Mass per unit time is called as mass flux.
Done, sir.
State Bernoulli's principle. What is formula for energy? Can you tell? Is it work done?
Force units.
Capacity to do work is called energy. No?
Yes.
So is it force into displacement? Force into displacement.
Yes, sir.
If I divide by area, and multiply by area, then this is volume.
Yes, sir.
So that means energy upon volume. Can I say pressure?
Yes.
Because D into A is volume. Volume I'm taking on
By
this.
expression.
So energy per unit volume is also called pressure. What is kinetic energy per unit volume? Will it be half mv square upon volume? Mass upon volume, it is density.
Yes.
Potential energy means mgh
GH.
upon volume means density rho gh.
Yes, sir.
So all this ka sum Bernoulli said is constant. So it states that for it is only valid for streamline flow. For streamline non-viscous comma incompressible fluid, incompressible fluid, the pressure energy is nothing but energy per unit volume due to flow. So pressure energy it states that for streamline non-viscous incompressible fluid, the sum of pressure energy comma kinetic energy per unit volume comma potential energy per unit volume always remains constant. That is P plus half rho V square plus rho GH equals to constant. This is called Bernoulli's principle. Right statement. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Note. First point, Bernoulli's principle is based on law of conservation of energy. Bernoulli's principle is based on law of conservation of energy. Second, since P plus half rho v square plus rho gh equals to constant, therefore at same height P1 plus half rho v1 square plus rho gh equals to P2 plus half rho v2 square plus rho gh. Same height, h1 h2 is same, so it will get cancelled. So P1 minus P2 is half rho P2 square minus P1 square. Right, 2 points as a note.
Different, it will be H1, H2, right?
This is valid at same height. Matlab, suppose in the water pipe there is a pump where you can increase decrease the pressure. So by opening the wall, pressure is decreased, so velocity will increase. Mostly used in gas industry and also in piping system. Fluid means it is liquid and gas both. 2 point clear? Can I clear this 2 point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one, P plus half rho v square plus rho g h is constant. Dividing throughout by rho g, we get P upon rho g plus half v square upon g, because rho will get cancelled, plus h equals to constant. P upon rho g is called as pressure head. V square upon 2g is called as velocity head. And h is called as gravitational है. So 1 year they had asked, find what is velocity head. People were confused. It is nothing but v square upon 2g. Copy. Third point, copy. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Extra class tomorrow.